Hello mga kapusa! Today I'm starting my vlog and look at all my plushies and my toys and may papakita pa ako. Ito, mga cats and stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bigay pa to ng cookie ko na Lola Rene ko. So, hello guys! Today I'm gonna jump in this pile of toys. And I'm gonna jump that way. 3, 2, 1. Wow! So soft! Hihiga din ako dito. Oh no. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, so soft! I want to stay here. And I love you guys. And goodbye. Hello guys, I'm back. Pinaghatian ko lang yung video ko. So, I'm gonna introduce all my plushies here. My stuffed toys. Because that's how that's how I called my stuffed toys, plushies. Because I hear that at YouTube.
Okay, you introduce them. What's their name and where do you
Wait.
got them?
But first, I'll say to you, I'm a YouTuber. So,
Okay.
I'm making a video today. So, I'm gonna introduce my plushies. First, I'm gonna close my eyes. And this one. I got this one. So, the name of this is, what's this?
You forgot?
Yeah.
I forgot too.
Oh no! Dixie! Oh, it's Dixie.
Dixie, yes.
So,
You got it from the egg, right?
oh yeah. When I got this from Christmas. And this one I got this from Malolo's Baby Mart. So there's a claw machine there and I got this. So
What's the name?
the name is Strawberry Pie. And she's a unicorn. And she has beautiful pink eyes. So look at this little tail. And she's a unicorn. So next one is oh, this one again. Okay, so this is strawberry. So I got this from McDonald's from my friend at McDonald's crew. So that one's already tapos na. So this one is from the keychain what I got to Vista Mall or
Yes, Vista Mall.
okay, so I got this from Vista Mall and it have a bell here, but it's a keychain, but the bell just came off. So this is my small now. So this is avocado. So my daddy just gave me this and he found it from the office. Then nasa yung office nila.
Okay.
My daddy just left. So, what else? Okay, so I want to introduce this one. So, what is this name? I think the name is Mango. I just changed the name. So, this one's Blueberry. So, oh wait, I got this too from claw machine. Then the pink giraffe of this, I just gave it from my cousin, Jazz. So, I'll introduce this one. So, this one, where did I got this?
From Ninang Car.
I got this from my Ninang car. So, the name is Strawberry Milk Tea. So, this one is Sunny. And I got this also from DB Mart, Malolos, at claw machine. So, this one I don't know where I got this. Daddy, where did I got
It's a Christmas gift from mommy and daddy.
It's a Christmas
with
gift
With
from
this
Mom
one.
and Daddy. With
With-
this one too. It's
What's
Poppy.
their name?
Poppy and Branch.
From what movie?
Trolls. And they're so cute.
Yes.
Wait, what is this? What's in here? Nothing. So, what else? Oh, this one and this one. My daddy just gave me this from Christmas too. So this one is, who's this?
I forgot the name.
There's no name, but there's a tag here. Here.
Monster Hunter. And
Monster Hunter.
this
And
one's
this
a
one
Pokemon.
is Meowstic.
Yes.
My daddy loves Pokemons, and I love this because it's a cat. And this one, I got this also from the claw machine. And the name is Fluttershy. And something kind of loud, but it's hiding right down here. So, what else?
What else?
Oh wait, I forgot to tell this name. This one is, I don't know what's the name, but where did I got this?
A gift.
A gift. So, this one is Mike, the friend of this one. So, there's the other unicorns up there. And look at my drawings. So many cats. They're cute. So, wait. I got this from DV Mart from Ginto. So, I got...
Where's its mom?
Oh, the mom? Right over here. Kalbo pa po yung nandito niya. Pareho po.
We got them at the same time, right?
Yeah. So, lavender.
Lavender.
This one is lavender. And this one is
What's the name?
Chopper. And my daddy loves Luffy. So this is the
Where did you get it?
I don't know.
From the arcade.
Arcade, yeah.
We exchanged a lot
I
of tickets.
it's
For
I just get this from Walter, but
Yes.
now it's gone. But there's still more games there. Nilipat lang ito. So, did I got it? Where did I got it?
claw machine.
I got these
Unitop.
I got this from the Unitop claw machine. So, they're so cute and they're adorable. Oh, I'll change their names, and this one is Brownie, and this one is Flower, and this one is Munchie. So, this one is, I want to name this Munchie. So, the name is Munchie, and where did I got this?
Claw machine again.
Claw machine. So, look at this pink furry tail. So soft. You touch it, guys. That's my dad's hand. So this one is Tofu and Burrito.
That's my favorite. Look at the eyes.
Look,
Look at the face.
So my daddy just gave this one. Where did I got this? Oh,
We bought it.
my daddy and my mama just bought it. So they bought it from the Unitop.
Yes, because
So,
I love the face.
Yeah. Ay, di ba nung dati nakita ko na din to?
Yes.
This one, these two, and this one is,
Kitty Meow.
From SM Marilao nung dati pa. Tapos, bigay ko ng lola ko. Pero kasama ako nun. Ito naman si Kit Kat. Tapos na kuha ko to sa may new mall. Tsaka, pinabili ko to sa mall. Tapos, pinili ni Mommy and Daddy. Tapos, nag-thank you ako. Kasi madaming pusa po ako nakikita ng mga laruan. Oh, Toro. Nakuha ko po din ito sa claw machine. Tapos, napanood ko din po ito. So, where did I got this?
Claw machine.
No, what mall?
I don't know.
I think I got this from DB Mart claw machine. So, who else? So, I think this one is the last one. And I also got this with this one. So, the name is Bubble Wee. So, it's tapos na guys. Goodbye. Next time naman po, mga kapusa. Goodbye.